It was at this time that Kapoi shattered the eggs on the rock wall of their house yard, and the owl saw this careless act of Kapoi. She swooped in and rested on the rock wall where the eggs were dashed to pieces. She looked with her tear-filled eyes in grief for her eggs. When they retreated into their house, this owl gathered the eggshells that were cracked and the yolk that was splattered on top of the rock wall. And when these things were done and taken, she flew with all these things in tears until she arrived in front of Pueo Kaua in the eastern area of Wailuku. This is her husband, and from these two are the eggs that were mercilessly destroyed by Kapoi. This female owl is from Kula. Pueo is her name, and there is a district that is called by her name over there. Pueo is the name until this day. And Pueo Kaua, her husband, his common residence is a hill that sits in the upland of Vava'u in the area of Wailuku. This hill is named Pueo Kaua until this day. When Pueo Kaua met with his wife, Pueo, with her tears flowing and with grief and sorrow because of her love for her eggs that were destroyed by merciless Kapoi, the father owl asked the mother owl, "Why are these tears being shed?" The mother owl answered, "These eggs of ours, here they are, shattered by the human. These are the shells that I have brought so that you may see, and we must discuss this atrocious act."